Hey guys, here's the bucket. It's almost done. Got a little bit more to do. There's the teeth on there. That's the straight edge. So we can use this bucket for doing many different things. It's not all the time you do a ditch job where you have to dig like crazy. Just here where I have a lot of rocks and such, so you want to use teeth on there, or else you can't dig anything. And that's probably good for doing clean out jobs and stuff. And I did this way because I don't want to be having two different buckets. So I have to just unbolt it. Carry those. I eventually want to get one of those fancy battery impact guns. So I want to get one of those and then carry 3/4 inch wrench with me, a couple extra bolts, and then just unbolt these and put the grating edge on there. So so it makes it very handy. So I just got done. I have to clean up a little bit, because the welds obviously make a lot of mess. But you just clean everything up real good and spray her black. Clean up the edges and stuff. They're still kind of sharp. Grind them down and such. And yeah, I'll put my gloves on because it still is kind of hot. So I want to show you something. Anyways, I put these in the back. Extra supports on the back of the bucket, so just makes it a little bit better, a little more skookum. I didn't weld them straight across because later if they wear out, then you have to grind them out anyway and replace them. So I didn't go crazy on the welding on them. Yeah, turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. So per here, I got tons of use out of it. So I got equipment irrigation to modify this year and such, and a few other things I need to do for other people and such, and it's going to come in real handy. So that's why I built it. So but yeah. So anyways, it's not the prettiest thing, neither is Pamela Anderson, but it's cool. Pretty happy with it. So it is the way it is. I have to clean up the walls a little bit, but it is what it is. It's gonna hold really good. I had it cranked up pretty good. So this welder works really good, and I have it on the setting here. I have it on D3. Works perfect. Works perfect for welding 1/4 inch, aiming up 3/8 plates. Perfect. So I've tried to weld the a 1/2 inch with it already. 1/2 inch 3/4 inch plate with the E setting on number 2, and don't have to worry about it. So, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Turned out really good. So, like I said, it's still goddamn hot. So I just finished monkeying around with it. So anyways, the other thing you do is what I had to do, because this cutting edge has holes in it, so I had to put a piece of bar in there, weld it up, and clean it up here a little bit, make it look perfect. So anyway, pretty handy thing to have. No point having 2 buckets when you just swap out the edges and you have digging or clean out. It's a pretty handy thing to have. Even Mr. Rusty Glove Box agrees with me on that topic. So alrighty, well, next we're gonna, like I said, tomorrow or something like that, we're gonna clean this up here real good, get ready for paint, and then that one over there, we're gonna finish up filling those holes in, get it ready for paint. Actually, I need to put bars on the back of it too. Some stuff here for next day. So I went with the 1/4 inch flat bar here, so that's 1/8 inch for that bucket there, a little bit thinner, or smaller bucket. 1/4 inch. I mean, I could have went to 3/8 stock. Yeah, but that bucket there, it's getting pretty heavy as it is. That 26 inch is getting pretty heavy the way it is, so I don't want to put too much more weight into it. But yeah, it's really going to help a lot. So just to reinforce that bucket in the back, right? So this will probably give me about 2 links for that there, and I'll put a this one in there in the middle or on top or something where, I mean, obviously towards the edge of the bucket, about midway point, you get lots of wear in the back of the bucket. So wear bars, I guess we'd call them. So put this maybe on the top, I guess. But it'll look pretty good. So anyway, it is what it is. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.